Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Apple Watch Series 11 GPS 42mm smartwatch, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I have to say, when I heard about this smartwatch, one thing that really got my attention was how it can help take care of our health in a way that feels super empowering. Being able to spot early signs of chronic high blood pressure and hypertension is just incredible. The peace of mind alone is worth so much. So who is this for? Well, anyone who's looking for a more holistic approach to fitness and wellness would be really interested in the Apple Watch Series 11. With its advanced health monitoring features and stylish design, it feels like a game changer for people who want to take control of their overall health. One of the things that really sets this smartwatch apart is how it can help you understand your sleep patterns. By providing a detailed sleep score, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about your rest and recovery. And with features like an ECG and heart rate monitoring, you'll have all the tools you need to stay on top of your health. I've had a chance to try out some of these features in real life, and I can tell you that it's been incredibly impressive. From tracking my workouts and daily activities to getting notifications when my heart rate or blood oxygen levels are off, the smartwatch has genuinely changed the way I look at my own health. And with its sleek design and comfy fit, it feels like something you'd actually want to wear all day, even when you're not working out. Of course, no review would be complete without talking about the battery life. Let's just say that Apple really knocked it out of the park on this one. I've been getting up to 24 hours of normal use out of a single charge, which is seriously impressive considering how much this thing does. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this smartwatch worth the investment? For me, the answer is a resounding yes. With its powerful fitness features, stunning design, and game-changing health monitoring capabilities, it feels like an absolute no-brainer for anyone who's serious about taking care of themselves. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.